ye and I share my main cancha musak baby amudi assembly for the befa olenge mo man olenge me ankasa me share me na akasa 1-on-1 me say nothing go fit pass my nose Jesus asem no me nim hu bi obi onim asem we mu bi obeka asam a onim me say me di me fie finso ni me fie bosom ebo ni dua because asem a me kan me nim hu bi sa akode onim so be obeba be pressa ade na ode asem ni call headquarters 2 weeks near assembly headquarters 1 week almost 1 week and some days assembly headquarters ayendi wie picture na Angelo ni stormbo etwa aye no mumbisa Angelo ni stormbo ani mu say sa picture no mu twa wo he wa wuni ma assembly bui de ye de chia mu nkwa na mu hu behind the scene what is going on mu ni mu hwe nti mu ni mu hwe mu nka kinshuru wa assembly wuni mu hwe no kawanutum kawa Somboy, mimi nye sombe oboy, mimi makuma nikita head papa. So na mo betumi aye ne sao. Mimi jeja me homa obi anya me sao. Never. Se ne nyame bo to se na obo mi. Mimi amegina na beje ojo me. Aden, woni sen, wodun so sen, wuti ye miensa na. Obi kwasi asam. Obi mbeka kwasi asam. Mo sorry am say me na me good Stonebwoy brand and I me good Stonebwoy brand and a Stonebwoy sha no so yi am egu ni brand mum nim me mosumpo basa akode ye press conference and no he should have been bold enough to say assembly the headquarters Sarkodie should be bold enough to say and when the press conference must say assembly the headquarters hypocrisy in the music industry is too much. Hypocrisy in the media is too much. Nobody's taking credit. I say Sarkodie, you were there the whole time. I personally walked to your car. Book Bad Bright was there. You are driving off. Hey, me so be only myself we go back say me say me susum kwa bi be wiase kwa be twi ni panika. Because I know what I'm talking about. I know what I saw. I know what happened. And I know after you call, the next day, what happened? The next day, what happened? The next day, what happened? Sarkodie, come out. Press conference now, Say biom. Say press conference, biom. And tell Ghanaians, say, assembly the headquarters. More reporting say about Stone. More can some more reporting say about Stone. Let nobody memma any gabagwa ye bi amba me post ase me tron kwase asem. Hypocrisy in the also. Hypocrisy in the also. I can boldly say so obi tanwa e yese di obi do. Obi tanwa e yese di obi do. Obi e free to go aba. E de na nsi a yentumi nka. Asem be na aba em baby da. The way we were treated, do you guys address that? I have pictures to back up, baby. Thinking say Ashes himself came on radio, said what's sack. Every 30 minutes, every 5 minutes, be an old friend. Actually, maybe on any artist war. Did you ever pick up a phone and call any of us? Did you ever, operative? You can near friend. I have pictures. Cause baby, I mean, Koshiko Jinaye, you teach pictures, no. I still have those pictures to confirm. Me mama me get press conference. E man be kasa like, hey, and I be somewhere to me so me say me kasa o. Me kasa man for na stone ko oba industry ni mu. Stonebwoy to me so me say me kasa. Me catch am when you say me common de me. Me follow be back and say ma ton suano. Whatever I do it from a clean and a neat heart. Whatever I do, minye follow back. Minye juma mobi. Minye juma ma Stonebwoy. Santete yana mo pesa mo tete mini Stonebwoy ntemu no. Na wo hwe enyama bebre na moye. Yes. Me animal, but I'm not hypocrite like your sack. I'm not a hypocrite. All he thinks about is brand. The Sakode June is Angelo no Crasako de on Jane. Your Jane, the brand. After the show, why were you waiting after the show? Tell the world what you did. Oh, but over a press conference, you need to tell the truth. This is what happened. This is what happened. And they came there. This is what I said. And then, boy, no, I said, you said you don't need some boy. I will show me so. Now, so on to me, chair on call. Boy, no, I don't know what funny now about press conference. I stand for the truth. And I stand for the right thing. Sasama making me boy, me damn me the punch me. But more money, my son, no share, also more cano, me the punch mo. Sasama making me boy, me damn me the punch me. But whoso winning my son, no share, I will be Cassano, whoso damn me the punch. Sakodi, come out and tell the world, say you reported the case to headquarters. You should have added that to the press conference. Why? Why didn't you add that? I didn't one friend one count say assembly the headquarters. Hey, me mando, dem be be a bim. Kwasi afono mo to say Calvin boy ni Black City no. Omo no weje adwuma ye no. Did you grow the Calvin boy chi so many years kra no. Mo nkon kwahwe. Confusion dey no. Me di manu ka sama. Asem bia me meba social media me di ma meba be manu aka bia asema me ni mo hwe. Asema me ni mo hwe me ma meka. Usuro nyame a nyame bi wo a wonye. Usuro nyame a wodi no kure ka no kure. And no Saturday press conference and I thought say he would boldly be proud of what he did for reporting the case to what headquarters for Stonebwoy to be arrested. Have we talk about that? Have we talk about that? Adena Ghana enya chumsa. Adena Ghana yempe no kresa. Adena Ghana enya chumsa. And nothing I'm fake people now doors no. Me, no matter what happened, no matter the best the way I'm in the I can never report to headquarters. I can never. When you go for me, sick a show button. I'm in your way, and not to me can as a machine. Mufi said when you said you be one say you love somebody, Mufi say a track. Condemn what Stonebwoy did and condemn what you did. Condemning. Now brought out, now Bekasa say yes. Assembly the headquarters. And then you see Yani a report is on Stonebwoy. Come out and say, why didn't you add that to your press conference? Me maybe piss me off. Me my bravo my dear me pe eye kwasi ebo ade bako so ametiri wade kwa ye bi on kanokre. If me my back outer, I will boldly say oh press conference am here no Stonebwoy say na some no kwa report to headquarters assembly the headquarters bloggers I will say call the offer from catch up say me mom nkasa some of the bloggers come from I'm with them me mom nkasa and then you don't know me. How can you know me? How can you know me? Who me first time I'm a phone the friend Madam Pacho you I gave your fucking number to Terry. What Terry manager Terry no one America no. Me na me Joe number will be one and me friend and me no kasa na me give you number to Terry. Oh by the card. Oh by the card. Kwasia na si say I don't respect. Me abrewano me some respect wine. Me na more friend me abrewano. Ghana kwaya fua mo bia sorry ah. Yes, me a be zongo girl. Me a be zongo girl. That's why I don't take foolishness from anybody. Wumni Cassidy, I be zongo girl. That's why me I don't take shit from anybody. Who shall zongo girl no ye need or ye real say here? Me realness mu be da. Me realness mu be da. Mu su mu be da kopim da mu bewu. Me realness mu be da kopim da mu bewu. Condemn me Tell Ghanaians, and no better press conference. Tell Ghanaians you reported the case. We reported case in my headquarters. Say Mbechi Stonebwoy. After that is done, then you come back for us to talk. Don't do a press conference and act like normal. And I didn't see, and I'm here to confirm, and I have confirmed, and I didn't. Hey, who pay by? I was in the car the whole time. Me no me walking to more office. Quite more back aside. Any book back aside. Sakode, what did you do? What did you say? Hey, hypocrisy for more media no. I have mad respect for you. When you lose me respect big time. What they are we no. Me readness mu bi da wo. Enu na ewu wo mo no. Enu na mu stone na maka che stone say on hwe ne hu so yie na de ame ye no me de be ye ne 10 times. Mu mi na maka kire me say ai stone boy enya real onye nipa na me krampo na stone boy hu me na mi so ni mu kra na me ka me ne down no kra no na nka say on ka sample ohu mi kra ne se hwe me I don't fake. Me mpawasama Would $20 billion can walk me pewasem? Me do wana me do. Me I go all out. Zongo girl go all out. Mo bida. Zongo girl go all out. I'm a Zongo girl. Yes. Sack natives. I'm a Zongo girl. But baby I'm a team promote to me tonight. Baby I'm a team rent Crown Po area no more a month no. To me jamu rent 3 years. Zongo girl no. Me say obi oni masem no bi obetwon kwase asem bia me say nyame be chia ne ka oda me ma de panche no maka kire mu ma say sisu biom obi betwon kwase asem Sakshu I'm daring Sakshu come out and do another press and tell Ghanaians what really happened, and after that no diomu ye. Don't leave the headquarters in Niama. Don't leave a Samna report here, no. Don't leave it out. Miss Debbie says, I don't care about any motherfucker obedidi matem. It doesn't fucking put food on my table. Wubia udidi matem bia me se check ho and fe duane si mi table. And fe nsuo engu me yimu. Obia sack native me say obi oni masem we wu bia obekasa no. Me boni pani dia. Obi oni masem no bi. A obekasa no. Sack native, sack catch am so dey asem no headquarters. Sack catch am so asem dey headquarters. Omo catch am so omo report asem dey headquarters say Yambechi Stone Boy. Omo catch am. Don't leave that out of the press. Don't leave that out of the press. Don't leave that out of the press. Olenge na musuma no. I met with Olenge myself. The amuye ne underground piano. I know. Mumu feel say obiano wasasi we so a or did just normal eyibaya debut. Minye follow back. Obi entua me ka o. Minye adwuma mobi o. Minye adwuma mobi. I'm not part of Stoneboy's team. Mo kasa say makoji ska o Stoneboy hono. I'm not. Stoneboy can't even pay me. If I'm even to charge for telling the truth, he can't even pay me. Why invite you Obiama will show? Now I bet 7 good hours. I will post a picture for you guys to see where we were standing. Messi Asemna, I was there. Obi enim de see yo. Mini buofu no kwana Stoneboy was calming me down. Eya munya die na nyefe. If you are real, you are real. Ade na sakoba be kasa ye no. One kasa okay. And issue ni say they see there numre no. And I say na me hu ye, say na me te ye. Intimidate asem no headquarters. I report to headquarters say you Kochi Stone. And yeah, that's so headquarters. Why didn't you come out and say that? I think say women in this country are more powerful than men. Why didn't you come out to say, oh, press conference, assemble the headquarters, assemble no move say, and that's the headquarters, assemble the headquarters, Mr. According my reporting case, no, in the Stoneboy say I'm the channel, but yeah, that's all. Then you say that. Then you say that. Don't come and do a press conference and talk as if, oh, me, we can't say mujidi. Because Stone asked me not to even or look up at me chose me mama. But I said fun e shin. In some fun e shin. Me, I don't talk to Stone before I come online. No. Debut. I come online when I want to. And when I have to. Abrewa na mo sack for Mr. Kofi. Stupid useless guy I've ever seen. Mo kasa na mo di nkwase asem ni nyina. Mo kan okre. So oba out and run no be kasa ye no and no mention ye I asem kwa ma report wo headquarters. I say ye be Stone Boy into asem the headquarters aye kan ye da so go back and forth wa asem no then I will know say sack is real. Yeah, press conference oba ye nyansa wo mu. If you know you do a press conference, why did you report the case? I don't come reporting case or headquarters. I don't come reporting case no headquarters. Well, press conference now, no. I didn't know one fan shamu say the case is at headquarters. Mufu say moi. Yenye moi. Me say be native. Obi ba no be didi matema. Ema mo nkasa. Mu de betu nipa no. Obi ba no be di matema. Memo obi enfi nipa no. Mu de mu nhye de betu nipa no. Mu de mu nhye de betu nipa no. Mu making mu use my adwin wo man we mu. The way I want stone here. E the way I wo free nipa